Introducing the 2012 Dominator 620S, a luxurious flybridge yacht crafted in Italy. This yacht measures 64 feet 10 inches in length, with a beam of 16 feet 11 inches. Currently located in Hong Kong, she offers both power and style for your ultimate cruising experience. Powered by twin CAT C18 ACERT engines, each delivering 1,150 horsepower. With only 648 and 649 engine hours, she is in excellent condition. She cruises comfortably at 25 knots, with a top speed reaching 32 knots. Fuel capacity is 3,700 liters, with a water tank holding 1,000 liters. Equipped with a hydraulic bathing platform, tropical air conditioning, and a 20-kilowatt generator. Enjoy onboard luxuries like an ice maker in the salon, teak stairs, underwater lights, and stereo systems. With 3 spacious cabins, this Dominator 620S is ready for your next adventure on the water.